This demonstration, we're going to have a look at how we manage groups by using the Exchange Control Panel. The nice thing about the Exchange Control Panel, it allows me as the overall administrator to delegate certain tasks out to end users. So what we have is we have Kim Akers, who is a department manager, and what we've decided to do is give Kim the ability to manage her own distribution group. So what we need to do first of all is make her a recipient manager. So we'll come into Active Directory Users and Computers, into Microsoft Exchange Security Groups, Recipient Management, click on Members, click Add, and add in Kim. So just check the name there. Click OK. We can now see Kim is a member of this group. So we'll click OK at this point here. Next thing I need to do is just launch up the relevant website. So we'll just minimize down Active Directory Users and Computers, come into Internet Explorer. From within Internet Explorer, just need to type in the URL. So we'll just wait for this to launch up. So type in the URL. This will then launch up the website that I need to log into. So now just log in as Kim. Specify her password. Click sign in. It'll now kick off this website. So as we can see, we're now in the Exchange Control Panel. So what I want to do here is just come to public groups. And what I want to do here is just create a new group, and we want to create a new group for sales, because that is Kim's department. So we'll wait for the wizard to pop up. And what we want to put in the display name here is we just want to put in sales. And then what we want to do for the alias, same thing again, sales. The description of this group will be used for the sales department, so sales depth in the case of the sales department. The next thing we want to do here is just add some users. So down to membership, and what we're going to do here, just going to click the add button, just refresh the list. Now what we'll do, just scroll down, find the users who we want to add. So we'll have this user here. Scroll down a little bit further, and we'll also have this user here, and then final user we'll just go with Paul West. Click OK, and now what we've done, once we click the save button, we've created this group. Next thing we're going to do here is we're just going to set up the owner approval, and this will just ensure that the group owner approves all requests that are added to the group. So back into the group, we'll just come down to, in this case here, membership approval. And what we want to do is anybody that requests to join the group, we need to approve that as the administrator of this group. So we'll click on owner approval. All requests are approved or rejected by the group owner. We'll save this off here. We've now created the group, we've added the users, and we've set up the membership approval. Next thing I'm going to do here is I'm just going to log in as a different user and get that user to actually request to join the sales group. So I'm just going to pause the screen just so you don't have to watch me launching back up this utility again. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to log in and we want to become a member of this group. So We's user account is a datum / and then we, and then what we'll do, stick in the password and click sign in. Just click past the language selection, and now what we want to do here is we actually want to join a group. So into groups, we can see the groups that we is currently a member of, but we want to join a group here, so we'll just click our join button. We'll select the sales group and we'll click the join button up at the top here. Now because this is set up, as we can see here, it has been submitted to the group owner. The group owner is Kim, so what I would need to do now is just log back in again into Outlook Web Access. What we'll then find is that Kim has been sent an approval request for we to join the sales group. So we'll click close here. We'll just come out of this utility here, and the next thing we'll do is log back into Internet Explorer, Outlook Web App, and we'll log in as Kim. So as we can see, slightly different URL, got a slightly different front end here. We've got our Outlook Web App now, so I'm going to log in yet again as Kim, just see if we have had any requests come through to join our sales group. So sign in here. And as you can see now, request to join the distribution group from Wii U. So we'll double click on our request. So we've now decided that we will actually approve we. So what we'll do here, just click our little approve button. So approval request now has been sent. So we'll now find that we has become a member of the group. That's the end.